It is usually thought that there are 5 oceans: Pacific, Atlantic, Indian, Antarctic, and Arctic. But they are all connected by currents, creating a single body of water, the global ocean. This global ocean is incredibly vast, and it is currently facing major challenges. Challenges that no country or institution could possibly handle on its own. Conservation efforts, if we want them to be successful, absolutely require effective mechanisms for regional and international cooperation. We are bringing together renowned experts from France and Malaysia from different sectors to have a meaningful dialogue on 2 key issues: marine depollution and the conservation of biodiversity. So why are we doing this? Well, because we want to create the conditions to find a common ground that is indispensable to foster new partnerships. So, whether you are a student, a scientist, whether you are a member of an NGO or a company, if you are interested in collaborating with Malaysia and more broadly with Southeast Asia on any of these topics, this workshop is meant for you. Come join us at CITEC Week from 15 to 17 October in Brest, an international event that you cannot miss.